G'day! Today we're going to be repairing this bad boy. Yeah, not bad. Right next to an abandoned 1.3 cab, LPG GCC. Not bad. The guy walking his dog over there, so no, got to be nice and orderly, I reckon. Before I start, make sure to subscribe to me. Just like, comment, subscribe to my cameraman and the person who donated this laptop, JR Disorder. Don't subscribe to him, do the other thing, follow him on Insta, alright? Let's get this party going. Ha ha ha, Frank is. Yep, that was fun. Can't point at things anymore. Bugger! This is fun. This is actually a good way of doing it. Very effective. Let's turn it on, shall we? Keep missing. God damn it! There we go. That'll make it come good. Alright, that's enough. Oh, I can't type anymore. Bugger. I think the guy who was walking his dog didn't like us very much. Oh! You want to keep that? Sims 3. You can play that on your PC now, eh? There you go. Oh!
Better take that out.
I'm a bit of a silly snossage, aren't I? I'm not going to make this video drag on for too long, so I might just have a couple more hits and then thank yous for watching. Like, subscribe, do the other thing. Bye.